Hey, look at that. Huh? Oh. It's your rockstar. Another edition of Cribs. Huh? Here's my friend, Jason. Huh? Ayos. Oh, that's my gardener. Huh? Naglilinis ng garden. Laki ng garden ko. That's my car. My gardener's car. Kotse, may Carlon yung ano ko. May Carlon. Gardener. Oh, yan. That's one. Crib 1. Yun, yung ano namin. Guest room. Tree house namin actually, pero ano, bumagsak yung tree. Kaya nasa baba na. Here's Gob.
Ayaw ka na naman.
Gob. Gob is back. Okay. You enter the room. Huh? Oh. The bathroom is still closed. Oh, here's my bedroom. My 2 bed. Here's my companion. Huh? Yeah, boards. The pamangkin of Henry C. Mingson C. Oh, here's my high-tech aircon. See? See? Now you know.
Your underground TV.
My underground TV. It's LCD but lumiit. Small version. Okay. Let's go outside to my swimming pool. Very big. And to my terrace. Oh, yun. Yes, here's our terrace. Oh, terrace. Go. Ano masasabi mo?
It's a nice place.
Okay, that's my people over there. Oh, see, yun ang swimming pool ko. Ha? Okay. Yun, canteen.
Beach front.
Hindi, swimming pool yan, pare. Akala mo beach lang. Ha?
Man-made. Man-made.
Yun. Okay. So, that's our spot today. See you next time. Another edition of Cribs. Okay.